Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to stop Roblox crashing on iPad. Crashing issues on Roblox on iPad are usually caused by low memory, overheating, or the device struggling with heavy game graphics. And the same troubleshooting steps also apply on Android, since both platforms rely on similar performance and storage limits. Start by closing all background apps to free up RAM, then reopen Roblox and lower the in-game graphics settings to the minimum, which reduces strain and helps this game run smoothly. If crashes continue, check your device storage and settings and make sure there's enough storage and space, since a nearly full device can cause instability. You can also offload or install Roblox to clear cache data and refresh the app. Just make sure you remember your login details first. On both iPad and Android, keeping your OS updated also helps improve compatibility and stability. Finally, if the device is older, avoid running high graphics experience, since hardware limits can cause repeated crashes even after optimization. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.